sure what's behind your back. Yeah. So turn around and I'll pick up the slack. Yeah.